Hello everyone, welcome to College Dunia. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete step-by-step process to register for NIMCET 2026, your gateway to MCA programs at premier NITs and triple IITs across India. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important details. NIMCET 2026 or the National Institute of Technology NCA Common Entrance Test is conducted for admission to MCA programs in 11 NITs and 2 triple IITs across India. The exam will be held on June 6, 2026 as a computer-based test. The last date to register is May 1, 2026 till 5 pm IST. Make sure you complete your registration before the deadline. Before applying, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria. You must be an Indian citizen. You should have completed graduation in BCA, BSc Honours, BTech or an equivalent degree with mathematics or statistics as a subject. Minimum aggregate marks required are 60% for general category candidates and 55% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Here are the key dates for NIMCET 2026. Registration begins on March 3, 2026. The last date to apply is May 1, 2026 till 5 pm IST. The correction window will be open from May 5 to May 7, 2026. Admit cards can be downloaded between May 27 and June 6, 2026. The exam will be conducted on June 6. Mark these dates carefully to avoid missing any deadlines. Step 1 is registration. Visit the official website nimcet.admissions.nic.in. Click on the new registration button. Enter your full name, valid email ID and active mobile number. Verify the OTP sent to your email and mobile number. Then create a strong password and choose a security question for account recovery. After registration, log into your account. Fill in your personal details such as date of birth, category, gender and complete address. Next, enter your academic details including university name, year of passing and aggregate marks. Finally, select 3 preferred exam cities in order of preference. Make sure all details match your official documents. Now, upload the required documents. You need to upload a recent passport size color photograph with a white background. Upload a clear scanned image of your signature. If applicable, upload your category certificate issued by a competent authority. Ensure all files are in the specified format, usually JPG or PNG, and meet the required size and dimension guidelines. Next is payment of the application fee. The fee is 2,500 rupees for general, OBC and EWS candidates. For SC, ST and PWD candidates, the fee is 1,250 rupees. Payment can only be made online via debit card, credit card or net banking. Offline payment modes are not accepted. Make sure your payment is successful before proceeding. Before final submission, carefully review all your details. Use the preview option to check for any errors or discrepancies. Once you are sure everything is correct, submit the application form. Download and print the confirmation page. Keep your application number safe for future reference. If you need assistance, you can contact the NIMCET helpline at the given numbers. Helpline hours are 9 am to 5:30 pm Monday to Friday. You can also email at the given email address. Final tips: start your registration early to avoid last minute issues. Double check all details before submitting. Keep your login credentials secure and regularly visit the official website for updates. Best of luck for NIMCET 2026. For more admission updates and exam guidance, don't forget to subscribe to College Dunia.